Hello everyone, welcome to the TSS. So we came up to the last plot in the category of distribution plots, the two in bivariate distribution plots. So one pair plot is the another type of plot which is used to uh, know the relationship between the two columns which are numerical in nature, so that is why it is called as bivariate. Okay, so both columns will vary. So pair plot we already saw in the linear plots, right? So the same plot here also. So let us recap. So the pair plot, after loading the data set and setting background grid style, figure size and the plot title, we need to call the pair plot method from the Seaborn library, friends, and we need to pass the data. That's it. We uh, we um, we need not specify x is equal to or y is equal to like that. So because it is a pair plot, it will take two columns in the data set, and it will show uh, the relationship between those two columns, and then again it will take another two columns and it will show the relationship between those two columns, and it will goes on until all the combination uh, get over. Okay, so let's see in the Jupyter notebook, friends. Yes. um, Plot dot figure, right? Then sns dot pair plot of, we need to pass only one variable here, that is df. That's it. Okay, it comes up here, you can see. mm, okay, before this, let me explore our data set. Quick view. Here is our data set. Quick view, that is first 5 rows. So total bill, tip, sex, smoker, day, time, size. These are the total columns. Out of these total columns, how many columns are numerical in nature? Total bill, tip and the size. So 3 columns are there. So the combinations will be 3 into 3, that is 9 plots will come. Total bill versus tip, total bill versus size. Uh, those are the two plots. Then tip versus total bill, tip versus size. Okay, and then the size versus total bill and the size versus tip, and so 6 plots will come. Then the total bill versus total bill, that plot will also drawn by the Seaborn to uh, tell the distribution. Okay, so the distribution, because total bill is total bill, only the single variable will be there, so it will draw the distribution histograms. Okay, so let us see that total bill on the x axis here to the size. Okay, these two variables are, the size is also varying and total bill also varying, that's why it is a bivariate. So it's also comes under the linear plots section also, to explore the relationship between. Why? Because in the same canvas we will explore all the possible um, numerical columns, the plots for all the possible numerical columns. So in that, say total bill to the tip, there is a linear relationship. Here you can see the data points stacked up and goes up, 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 up. Okay, so if you draw the regression line, it will goes from left side bottom to right side top. Okay, so that is a positive correlation will be there. So and then total bill to total bill, the histograms came up here. Okay, and then the tip to the size, tip to the tip, and the tip to the total bill. This is the resultant graphs, friends. And the size to size histogram there, and the size to the tip, this is the resultant graph, and the size to the total bill, this is the resultant graph. So it's a powerful plot, friends. The pair plot is powerful plot. We will analyze all graphs at once, friends. All variables relations at a single canvas. So pair plot is all in one plot, friends. Okay. So all the variables we will explore at one place. So it is nice plot. So this is about pair plot, friends. Okay. So and in the next class we will discuss about some more topics, friends. And then, till then, bye bye. Yours Veera signing off.